In this video, we are going to talk about something that may be affecting your trading big time, but unfortunately, no one has been talking about this. So this video is sponsored by FastBull.com. So FastBull.com uses artificial intelligence algorithms to generate trading signals for different instruments that you can see on the market. If you monitor this, you are going to see that you will get signals with the opening price, the closing price, the stop loss, and the take profit. If you don't like AI signals, you can also follow analysts here. You can see there are different people who analyze the market and they post their signals here. The other thing that you get on FastBull is a lot of videos, which is educational content. You can see there's a trading academy here and there's hundreds of videos here. You can also, there's also Daniel Market Outlook. You can learn how to analyze the market. So make sure you visit FastBull.com using the link in the description below. So probably you have already heard of the saying which says, do not put all your eggs in one basket. And this saying works in every aspect of life, in business, in relationships, in everything that you do in life. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. And the reason is that when that basket breaks, you are going to lose everything that you have. So if you think about in investing, let's say you are investing in stocks or in companies and you put all your money on Apple and you say Apple is a good company, I'm not gonna lose money. And then maybe something happens at Apple and then they lose everything and Apple collapses, just like what Bitcoin did last year. So if you had already put all your money on Bitcoin, you could have lost maybe half or more of that money when Bitcoin crashes. So this thing happened also in Forex trading. And even if you're a day trader, let me show you how this affects you. So what am I talking here? I'm talking about something which is called correlation. So if you go and search what is correlation, you're going to see that correlation is simply a mutual relationship or a connection between two or more things. So in trading, we are talking about the relationship between two or more instruments. For example, if you are trading currencies, there's a relationship between the USD JPY and the USD GBP because these currencies all combine the USD. So you need to know the movement that happens between this. So to calculate correlation, you are going to use this formula right here. And yes, I know what you are thinking. You are not here to go for maths and you are not going to be calculating these things to make money, because if you try to do this, most of the people are going just to quit. So that is why, for the good of technology, we have websites that can do this. So you can go to any website like my FX book or this website here, and you are going to see that you can see this correlation right in place, right? So if you come to this website right here and you are going to search for correlation, you are going to see that these are the pairs and how they correlate with each other. So if you look at these currencies, you're going to see that we have a list of currencies on top here and we have a list of currencies right here. And on these currencies on top, most of the currencies here are major currencies. So if you want to see the connection between two currencies, you can just come here and see. You can see here GBP USD and AUKED have 91% correlation. So let me go to this website, which makes it a little bit more clear. So if you go to this website, I will leave the link in the description, or you can just go to this website right here and you are going to come and you are going to see that there's currencies that are in red and there's currencies that are in blue, and the currencies that are above here have got a relationship with the currencies that are here. So for example, if you come to GU and AUKED, you're going to see that GU and AUKED have got a 90% correlation, which means 90% of the time this currency is likely to move to the same direction. So these two pairs, if GU is going up, AUKED is also likely to be going up, because there's 90% chances, or there's 90% between the relationship of these currencies based on this formula, but we are not going to go through the formula. So if you come to this page and you're going to see GU and AUKED, you're going to see there's 90% chances that these currencies are going to move into the same direction. So let's jump to trading view and let's see if this is true. So if you look at this, you're going to see that this is GU, and this is a trade that I placed in the afternoon, and you can see the market moved all the way up and almost hit my stop loss, but then it started reversing, and now it's still reversing, and I'm expecting this currency to move to the downside. And the strategy that I'm using here is simply a break and retest right here. So you can see that this market moved right here, it reverses here, moves down again, and a retest, and I'm expecting this zone here to help me to push prices to the downside. And if I do go to AUCAD, you can see the same thing. I placed another trade again using the same strategy. You can see the market pushes down here and it pushes up, it breaks, it retests, and then I place the trade. But this trade is almost hit my take profit. But if I placed these two trades, like if I had bought the GU and then I sold this, that means all this profit here is likely to be cancelled if this trade loses, because these currencies are going to likely move to the same direction. And if you look at this price action, there's a little bit difference because it's not 100%, but you can see there's 90% chances that this market is going to move to the downside. And why does this happen? There's 90% chances that this market is likely to move to the same direction. And why is this? It is because of the correlation between these two currencies. Because if you look at these currencies here, this is a major currency and this is a major currency, and all these currencies, most of these currencies, you're going to see that they contain the USD. So whatever the USD is going to do to the GBP is likely also going to happen like to the odd USD. As you can see here, odd USD 91% with the GBP USD. Why? Because there's a common pair here, which is the USD. If the USD is gaining value against the GBP, it's also likely to gain value against the odd. So if you believe in the USD and if you want to buy USD, you are expecting it to go in the same direction, right? So you can see here there's another one which have got 98% correlation. So you can see NZD USD to AU USD, NZD USD to AU USD. You are going to look at the movement of this market, right? So if you look at this, we can all agree that this market is going to the downside, right? If you look at the odd USD again, you can see that this is the same price action that you saw on the other one, right? And why is that? Is because the USD is the common pair in these two, and whatever the USD is doing to the other pair is likely to do to the same pair. So you can see this is exactly the identical market here. So you don't want to be, for example, buying the NZD USD and then selling the AUD USD. If you do that, that means if one of those trades goes to profit, it's going to affect the other one and you are likely to lose money. So this is a big topic, guys, and I decided to try to put it out here and see if you guys are interested. And if you want to learn more about these deep things about forex trading, because this year we want to go deeper than just telling you the basics. You're into the things that no one is talking about. So if you like this video, help me by liking it and comment in the comment section below so that I know that I need to create more videos like this. Don't forget to go to FastBull.com, because if you do that using the link in the description, you are helping me, you are helping yourself, and also the relationship that we have with FastBull.com might continue going forward. So help me, guys, by using the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.